Hey, good morning, my peeps. This is G here, Gayon here in Cali. Welcome to my health tip for today. Today is Thursday, April 12th, 2018. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Hopefully your day has started out great. So today, I'm sharing a WebMD article. It's going to share with us some ways on how we can get more protein at breakfast. So if you can start your day out right with breakfast, that helps you throughout the rest of the day, and breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so hopefully you guys aren't skipping your breakfast. So that's today's article. It's in the Healthy You page, guys. The link is right below the description of the video. Click there. The article is there. And also just a reminder, you can also join the group that I started, all about healthy eating, where I'm sharing recipes and food ideas, eating ideas that are very healthy and also diabetes friendly as well. So if you want to be a part of that group, just click on the link below where it says join group here. Click there and just click join, and add you to the group. Okay, and we're gonna start Monday. This upcoming Monday here, April 16th. We're gonna do a 5-day challenge on eating a healthier breakfast. So starting on Monday through Friday, every day I'll share a breakfast idea for you guys that's healthy, that's diabetes friendly, to give you some ideas on how you can get your breakfast, your day started out in the right way. That's so important. So again, if you want to be a part of that group, click on join, the link that says join group here. Go ahead and join the group. Invite your friends over as well. Anybody who wants to learn how to eat healthier, anyone who wants to be a part of that challenge that I'm starting next week on eating a healthy breakfast, a 5-day challenge. Definitely, we're gonna make it fun, and go ahead and join our group now. Okay. Anyway, so let's get started here. So how do we get more protein in our breakfast? All right. So morning power. Want to start your day off right? Add some protein to your morning meal. Research shows that getting plenty of this nutrient first thing helps you stay full and satisfied longer. That is so true. It may even help you eat less throughout the day. So yes, if you start your breakfast right, guys, it helps you out the rest of the day. Okay, so number one idea here is a Greek yogurt parfait. Thicker than the regular kind, Greek yogurt packs in more protein. 1 cup delivers 23 grams of protein. It is also high in bone building calcium and potassium. For a filling breakfast, layer the creamy stuff with fruit and a high fiber cereal. Tip: before serving, stir in that liquid sitting on top of the yogurt. That's whey, W-A-Y, or whey, and it has protein. So but the best option here is to get the plain yogurt, not the flavored yogurt, not the strawberry yogurt, the peach yogurt that have added sugars. No, especially if you're diabetic. Plain Greek yogurt, and add your whatever favorite fruit you like. Cut up your peaches, add it on it, your strawberries, your oranges, whatever. Add your own fruit, your blueberries. Don't buy the flavored ones. They have added sugars, especially if you're diabetic. Okay, chia seed pudding. Remember chia pets? Clay sculptures with the green sprouts turn out. The seeds of those plants are loaded with nutrition. 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, serves up 5 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds turn into a thick pudding. Stir 2 tablespoons chia seeds with half a cup of milk and put it in the fridge overnight. Have it in the morning with fruit and honey. Ooh, that sounds wonderful. So chia seed pudding. Again, guys, make sure you join my group, because next week I'm gonna give you guys some great breakfast tips every day. Every day next week I'll be sharing some great breakfast recipes, ideas, so you guys are gonna just love it. Okay, high protein cereal. Not all cereals are created equal. Many are made with only grains, so they don't have much protein. But some have nuts and seeds, and others have soy protein baked into their flakes or puffs. Look for ones with at least 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber per serving. This combo will help feed off hunger throughout the morning. So again, look for the high protein cereal. Check out your labels and make sure it's got protein, the amount of protein you need. Veggie frittata. I love frittatas. With 6 grams of protein each, eggs are a smart way to start the day. For an easy 1-dish breakfast, whip up a frittata. Beat eggs with salt and pepper. Mix in fillings like sauteed veggies and cheese. Pour it in an oven-safe skillet and cook over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Then put it in the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. So frittata. Love frittatas for breakfast. That's actually one of the breakfast ideas that I'll be sharing next week, guys. So make sure you join my group. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna make it fun. On the 5th day, I'll be giving away prize. So you know, again, join the group now, guys. If you want to be a part of that, if you want to learn how to eat healthy and join me in this journey of eating better, eat better to feel better, then let's do hashtag eat better to feel better, and let's join the journey with me. Okay, smoked salmon. Yes, fish for breakfast. Smoked salmon is a morning staple in Scandinavian countries, and for good reason. A 3-ounce serving has 20 grams of protein plus heart-healthy omega-3 fats. You can add it to omelets, to frittatas, or have it in a traditional way. Make an open-faced sandwich with smoked salmon and cream cheese. Ooh, love it. All right. Nut butter waffle. If you're not allergic to nuts, this will work, okay? Skip the maple syrup and spread your favorite nut butter, peanut or almond, on a whole wheat waffle or toast. It's high in protein, 7 grams in 2 tablespoons, healthy fats, and vitamins. In fact, research shows that eating nuts regularly can boost your heart health and help with weight loss. You can also stir a spoonful into a bowl of oatmeal or a smoothie. And I do have almond butter here at home because I love almond butter. I spread it on my toast a lot. Okay, Canadian bacon and egg sandwich. Craving bacon? Cook up the Canadian kind. Made from lean cuts of pork, a 2-slice serving has 12 grams of protein, less than 2 grams of fat. Serve it in a whole wheat English muffin with an egg. There you go. You'll stay full. Research shows that people who eat eggs in the morning ate 22% fewer calories at lunch than those who had a bagel, which is true because I eat eggs a lot in the mornings, and it do keep me. I'm pretty good for the rest of the day. Keeps me full. I'm satisfied. I love it, guys. It helps It helps with some of those cravings too. Cottage cheese with fruit. Love cottage cheese. There's a reason cottage cheese is thought of as a slim dung staple. A half cup delivers 12 grams of protein. It's source of leucine, an amino acid that's an important building block for muscles. Choose a low-fat, no-sodium added version and pair it with with fruit, or add it to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. So I love cottage cheese. There you go. Love it with peaches. So you can start your breakfast with some cottage cheese and your favorite fruit. Black bean scramble. Upgrade plain scrambled eggs by mixing in sauteed peppers, black beans, and a little cheddar cheese. The beans add a protein boost, 7 grams per quarter cup, and they're high in disease-fighting antioxidants and fiber. As a bonus, you'll get immune-boosting vitamin C from the peppers. Woo, love it, guys. Okay. All right. Chicken or turkey sausage with eggs and toast. Like other meat products, pork sausage is a source of protein, but it's often high in saturated fats, the kind that can raise your cholesterol. Look for leaner versions made from chicken and turkey. Serve it with eggs, whole wheat toast, and fruit, and add it to your omelet or quiche. There is the Jennie-O turkey sausage. That's the one usually that if I'm going to eat sausage, that's the one I get. So think about that, okay? Quinoa porridge. Woohoo, love quinoa. This is actually one of my breakfast ideas for next week. So I know I'm already giving you guys insight already about what's going to happen in our group next week, but it's going to be so fun. I'm going to make it fun for you guys. We're going to make healthy eating fun, so you look forward to eating healthy every day, okay? So join the group, and let's get started. Let's get the party started, guys. And again, the party starts on Monday, okay? Okay, so quinoa porridge. This whole grain is actually a tiny seed and is packed with protein. 1 cup delivers 8 grams for breakfast. Serve quinoa as a delicious oatmeal-like porridge, and add your favorite topping like cinnamon, fresh fruit, and nuts. And that's one of the breakfast ideas we're going to make next week, is some quinoa porridge. Hey. Okay, fruit and protein smoothie. Sift servings of fruit and protein in your morning smoothie. Start with fruit such as banana or berries, a cup of milk, and a few ice cubes. For extra protein, add some Greek yogurt or whey protein powder. You can toss in a spoonful of cocoa powder to make it a chocolate treat. Ooh, so I love you guys know I like smoothies. I talk about it all the time. So there you go. You can make you a fruit and protein smoothie, and it's gonna be phenomenal. Hey. Okay, Greek yogurt pancake. Wow, never heard of this before. This is interesting. Let's see. Greek yogurt can bring protein and a tangy flavor to pancakes. To make them, mix it with an egg and skim milk. Then add it to your pancake mix. Top your stack with more yogurt and fruit. So wow, never thought about the Greek yogurt pancake, but there you go. That's a great idea. Okay, overnight oats with nuts. And if you're allergic to nuts, skip the nuts part. Okay, no time to simmer oatmeal in the stove, no problem. You can make it a no-cook version in seconds. Mix equal parts oatmeal with milk. Pop it in the fridge, and the oats will soften overnight. In the morning, top it with cinnamon or your favorite, or cinnamon, or for extra protein, nuts or ground flaxseed. You can warm it up in the microwave or enjoy it cold. So there you go. You can have your oat, you make your oats overnight, guys, in the morning. If you're rushing to get to work, there you go. Okay. Breakfast burrito. The morning is a perfect time to polish off some protein-rich leftovers. Dice last night's chicken, steak, or pork and add it to your scrambled egg. Put the filling in a whole wheat tortilla along with a salsa and a few avocado slices for a quick breakfast. That sounds great. That's a good idea. In a rush, wrap the burrito in an aluminum foil for an on-the-go meal. And one of the breakfasts I have for next week is a breakfast burrito. It's going to be awesome. I love it. Okay, that's it. So we got some ideas on how you can add protein for breakfast, because if you start your day out right with breakfast, guys, with the right eating a healthy breakfast, it definitely will help you throughout the rest of the day. So it's a wonderful article, got some great breakfast ideas. Like I said, join the group now, guys. If you want to be a part of this group with me starting Monday, we're going to do a 5-day challenge next week on eating a healthy breakfast that are also diabetes friendly. So join the group now, guys. We're going to make it fun. Click on the link below the description of the video. Join the group, and I hope to see you guys over there. And any of your family and friends who need help, anyone wants to learn how to eat healthier, I'm sharing recipes in that group. Daily recipes to help you guys out. This diabetes friendly, gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free recipes. Then you can definitely join our group to be a part of that journey with me. Okay, so anyways, that's my health tip for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, guys. Start your breakfast right. Go get, don't skip your breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're watching a replay, throw me a replay in a comment. That would be awesome. And I hope to see you guys in the group starting Monday, guys. Make sure you join the group. And this is G signing off here. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next health tip. Woo, woo. Bye for now, everyone.